We have been here because we were so sleepy after that tiring day. Yeah, I'm so tired. I'm so tired. Me too. I'm so tired. Me too. I already told you. I'm also tired. Where's my brother? Oh, I think there he is. Now that's a newborn baby penguin's foot. Where did he go? Ow! What are you doing? Sorry. It's okay. Oh, there he is. Found you. Oh, you found me. Come on. I'm just going to see what is taking so long for the taxi to come. And I'll come because I'm big and mighty and I have no predators. And there's predators for you, not for me. So I'll go with you. Okay. Why is my wing open? There we go. My turn to come. Good luck, guys. Thanks for saying good luck. You're welcome. Let's go. I'm landed. Me too. I will walk. Me too. Meow. Meow. Oh no. I hear a cat voice. Hi. I will take care of it. Okay. In the bird hole. Meow. 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 Oh, I will get you, cat. Good luck. Thank you, my friend. Meow. 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 Ow, 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 ow. Meow. 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 Okay, the cat ran away. You can come out now. Okay, as you say, I will come out. Ow. Are you okay? Yeah, I'm okay. Let's go. Okay. Meow. Whoosh. Bow, 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 bow. Oh no, I hear a god. I hear a dog. Hide. I'm hiding again. Bow, bow, bow. Okay, it's here. Bow, bow. Bow, bow, bow. With my powerful claws, I can do it. I also have powerful claws, so you can join me. But that dog is a predator of ducks. Don't worry, you can come out. Okay, as you say. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, it ran away. Okay, I hope there's no more there's no more predators for you. Yeah. I have no natural predators. I have no predators actually. Oh, you can breathe perfectly and your populations increase. It is, the population is coming along perfectly, right? Yeah. Because there's no predators of bald eagles. Okay. And your name is Baldy. That is bald eagle, but only bald. Yeah. Okay, Baldy, let's go. Yeah. He's so kind. Okay, let me go with him. Oh wait, I made a plan with him that he'll go that way, I'll go this way and find that taxi. Let's go. Don't see anything here. What about there? Nothing here. Oh, there's the taxi. Let me ask it. Me too. Hello, yeah. Beep, beep. Okay, so it said that it is 4 days now. What? We are going to stay here for like 4 days? Yeah, we have to. Oh, come on. Yeah, I know it's boring, but we have to. Oh, I get it. Yeah, you get it? Yeah. I'm just going to sleep. Back to up. Yeah, just. Okay, there. I'm going up. Me too. Okay, I'm back. Ow, stop laying down on my foot. Sorry, it's okay. Ow. What's this? Huh? It's a snake. I have to warn others. It's a snake. Guys, there's a snake. Whoa, I see it. There's a snake on you guys. Whoa, I see it. Ducky, wake up. Get out. It's an Indian colorful cobra. It's a cobra. Help me, mommy. Help. I'm coming, my kids. It's a water cobra, I think it's called. It's not a water cobra, it's a water snake. Well, it's gone. Oh, it is still on the surface. Oh look, there's one fish. Maybe it will eat it. Yeah. Oh, it doesn't like it. The colorful water snake doesn't like it. Help, mommy, help. I'm coming to save you, my kids. I have to get my feathers wet. Push, 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 push. Like, be quick. Push, 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 push. I got it. Mommy saved the day. I have my still favorite power. Wind pattering wind. Whoosh. Whoa, 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 what was that? That was a colorful water snake. Oh, I didn't see it. Don't worry. Just go back to sleep. Okay. I'm just going to sleep with you. Huh? Where did green parrot go? I thought she was just right here. Huh? Maybe the water snake got her? I have my powerful claws. I can do it. There it is. Oh, you can't do it anything. I got you. Got your bird with my powerful claws. You'll never escape. And now I'll throw you away. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Huh? I know that rhyme. Let me fly up. I'm coming. Where's my egg? They blocked it. I don't see it anywhere. See you guys in the part 4. No wait, I don't know. Yeah, this is the part 4. See you in the part 5, guys. I am so sleepy and my voice is not correct today, so I'm sleeping.